Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
O ito mga ka-KP, may paalala po ang ating pong kagawaran sa kalusugan o DOH ngayong holiday season. Marami raw po kasing nauusong sakit kapag Pasko at Bagong Taon. Kung ano-ano po ito, abay, panoorin para makaiwas po tayo.
Ngayong holiday season, uso ang iba't ibang uri ng sakit. Yan ang babala ng Department of Health o DOH sa publiko ngayong darating na Pasko at Bagong Taon. Unang-una sa kanilang listahan ang tigdas o measles.
Parents will take notice sa bandang mahal na araw pa and they will associate this na mainit when in fact it all started in December.
Kasama rin sa listahan ang chickenpox. Ang sakit naman ito, kadalasan madaling mahawaan.
Makikita nyo yung vesicles dyan, yung bulutong tubig na it's also highly contagious. And although many will recover from it, it's the scars that actually upsets parents kasi talagang nagpepeklat siya. Especially if you don't know these are chickenpox and you pick at them at yon magmamarka na siya kasi don't touch any of the lesions until they're all dried up.
Hindi rin daw mawawala tuwing Disyembre ang whooping cough at ibang respiratory infections.
Yung ubo ng ubo, tahol ng tahol, iba namumula na yung mata sa kakaubo, talagang sumasakit na ng tiyan. Think of pertussis sa whooping cough.
Huwag daw mabahala ayon sa DOH dahil naka-alerto naman ang kanilang ahensya para gamutin ang mga naturang sakit.
These are all vaccine preventable. Go to the health center and if you line up sa health center, walang bakuna, please tell us immediately because the Department of Health has made sure na the vaccines will be available sa lahat ng health centers all over the country.
Pero syempre, doble ingat rin ang kailangan para hindi madaling mahawaan ng mga nasabing karamdaman. Sakaling tamaan o mahawaan ng mga nasabing sakit, ito raw ang mga dapat gawin.
Adults, senior citizens na hindi nabakunahan or never had measles. So, pag nagkaroon ng measles dyan sa hindi nabakunahan, kakalat yan. And so, we'll have an outbreak. Aside from measles, we have to worry about chickenpox. It's dehydration you should worry about, and that child should be rehydrated. At home, if you know it, or go to the hospital if you don't know what to do.
Ayun, parang ano Ben, no? Hindi naman tayo parang sirang plaka ho dito. Every Pasko at Bagong Taon, syempre, yung sabi mo nga, di ba, yung overeating ho tayo.
Overeating.
Dahil nandyan sa pagkainan, minsan, pagbukas ng mga rep ninyo, kuha ng kuha yung mga bata. So, hinay-hinay. Yun lang pong ating pong advice. Hindi naman ho kami doktor, hindi naman kami eksperto, pero ramdam mo namin na busog ho kayo. Hinay-hinay lang at huwag lang masyado uminom mo ng mga alak, ha?
Lalo-lalo na yung may karamdaman.
Yung
Hinay-hinay sa matamis, sa maalat at matatabang pagkain.
Nako, tama ka dyan, Ben. Lalong-lalo na yung mga may high blood pressure at yung mga may sakit sa puso. Maintenance, huwag kalimutan. Okay.